Friends, I am going to give you a quick runbook on Jenkins, which can help you install Jenkins on any Linux EC2 instance running on AWS. And the idea behind creating this video is to simplify your life, because when I was trying to install Jenkins on EC2 instance, I faced several issues and I ended up doing something which was not at all required to get this job done. So I simply documented and concluded everything in this quick video, and I hope this will help you. Before I go into the depths, I am assuming that you already have your EC2 instance up and running, and you have already SSH'd it using any of your choices SSH client. So in the later video, we would be using several abbreviations, and it's always good to know what those abbreviations mean. So I have given quick one-liner which can help you understand what those abbreviations are. In case if you're more interested in knowing these, Google is always available. Please go ahead and help yourself. These are your initial set of commands which you can run to install Jenkins on your EC2 instance. So Jenkins requires Java. So better you check your Java version before you run this command. You may already have Java available in your instance. In case if you're using it for a longer time, you may have installed it in past. So better you check the Java version. In case Java is not available, you can always use this command and install the Java. In case your wget command is not available, you can always use this command. In case it is available and you still want to update it, yes, yum provides that facility as well, and you can upgrade your packages. But in case a wget command is not available, please go ahead and run this command so that this package can be available for further usage. Let's go to the step 3. In step 3, these are the mandatory steps to get your Jenkins installed. And the first step is to configure the repository, Jenkins repository. So run this command, and you will see a Jenkins repo file created at this location, and which will have the entry base URI entry in it. Once this is done, you can run the rpm import command to import the Jenkins key. Once you get the Jenkins key, you are all set to run the install Jenkins command. Please run it, and it will install your Jenkins. Once your installation is complete, next thing is to run it. So to run, you have start command. So service, Jenkins, start, stop, or restart. These are the 3 operations you can perform using this sequence of commands. And if you in case want to run your Jenkins each time your system reboots, so you can simply run this command, and your Jenkins would start along with your operating system. One thing I would like to add here, I am assuming that you do have root access to your EC2 instance. In case if you don't have root access, please put sudo in front of these commands so that you can avoid unnecessary privilege exceptions. So to change port, because when you install Jenkins first time, it would be running on port 8080. That is the default port configured in Jenkins. So you can go ahead and you can still change it. So to change it, these are the set of commands you can run. Go to this location, open Jenkins file into the VI editor, go to this specific key and provide a port of your choice. Once this is done, I think you are all set to go to the next step. Even your Jenkins is running, you have configured all these things, but still you cannot access via cloud, because by default ports are by default services running on your instance are not accessible. So to make it accessible, there are certain changes you have to do in your security group. And how that can be done, for that you need to go to your EC2 instance. You can simply go to your instances. Here you can see it, and in instances just scroll to your left end of a specific instance which is having Jenkins installed on it, and just click on the security groups. You will see security groups available here, so just click on that. It will take you to the security groups page, and it will somewhat look like this. And whatever security group is allocated to that specific instance would be available here. Just go to inbound and click on edit. In edit you would be getting 4 options: type, protocol, and port range, and source. So choose type as all traffic, choose protocol as all, choose port range, uh, whatever is provided, just let it be like that. Even you cannot change it, so whatever is there, just let it be there. And in source, let it be the way it is. Don't try to change it, because uh, you would be ending up doing something else. So we'll talk about it later on. We'll see how you can strengthen your security of your instance. We'll talk about it in some later videos. Once this is done, you can use your public URL available in your instance. Just copy that and put the port in front of it, whatever you have configured at this step, and just hit it. And now there are 2 more steps where you have to set the user administrator password, and later on it would ask you to create your own account where you can create an admin account, and you can start using it. So all those instructions are by default provided by Jenkins itself, so I am not going to document it, and I'm not going to talk about it. In case if you struggle configuring that or finding the password to get into the Jenkins, please drop a comment. I would be more than happy to help you all guys. Thanks a lot, and I am looking forward to learn more things from you. If you have something, please teach me. Thank you. Bye.